will be fixing this little dent here, okay? This little ding. Nice paint. We will also be fixing this little blemish here as well. Power steering, power disc brakes, air conditioning, aluminum intake, and headers as well. Nice vinyl top, super clean interior. Car showing 41,686 on the odometer. Sounds good as well. Triple gauge package installed. Very clean interior. No issues there. You can call or text me at 847-848-1850. mgmclassiccars.com with over 140 plus hand-picked muscle classic vintage cars and also a few late model cars available. Again, please give me a call at 847-848-1850. Thanks for watching.